What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we said goodbye to an old project and we're going to say hello to a new project. On Friday, we said goodbye to the Bullet, and even though we are sad about it, we are super excited to bring something new to the channel. We are going to be doing modifications to this 2017 Chevy Silverado. This was my truck, and now it's going to be my husband's truck. Maybe he'll let me drive it.
No.
I am a huge truck person, so I am super excited about this build and super excited about the modifications that we're going to do to this. So Brandon's going to tell you about those.
Okay, like Tara was saying, this truck's pretty basic, okay? So we got a Texas edition. It's got a 5.3, which is also known as the L84. So what we are going to be doing to this truck, it's actually, I'm pretty excited about these modifications because it's adding more power. So why not? Why wouldn't I be happy about it? First and foremost, I can say thank you for giving me your truck. She didn't really have a choice in this matter, but I'm going to say thank you anyway. But let's go to talking about what we're going to do. So we'll start with under the engine bay, and then we'll move on to what we're going to do appearance-wise to the truck. Okay, so under the engine bay, first and foremost, what's going to go on top up here? We are going to put an LT4 Supercharger. Okay, the specific supercharger we're going to put on this, it's actually. It has to be a certain one for it to fit. Let me go ahead and show them real quick. For it to fit underneath, if you see in between what is the intake, which is right up top of the engine right here, and the firewall area, there's a very, very small area that you have to make sure this fits in. So we picked up a supercharger off of eBay, off of a 2016 Corvette Z06. And there's people that make kits to actually just bolt this right onto this motor. It's awesome, okay? Yes, I know, okay, it's probably not gonna give us as much power, but it's actually a really efficient supercharger for being a 1.7 liter. So we're using that one, plus the price you can't beat. All right, so anyway, that's what we're doing under here. Let's move on to the outside. All right, so as far as appearance-wise, I've already done a couple things. One thing I did do is I debatched it, and it looks like, I don't know what's up with this whole yellow thing going on. This is underneath every part that there was a badge on, so I've got to figure that out. I can possibly buff that out. Anyway, so we debatched the truck. So the only thing we left on the back was our Chevrolet symbol, okay? We're actually, I'm thinking we go black on this. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah? Okay. We'll keep the chrome trim, but go with the black symbol in the middle.
Yes.
All right. So obviously we've got to represent the Do It For Dale, number 3, courtesy, Cletus.
You got your Cletus shirt on?
I got my Cletus shirt on. I'm always representing Cletus. Inside is really basic on this truck. Now it does come standard with a lot of cool things. I mean, it comes with like navigation and stuff like that. But one thing I am going to do, and this is the only thing I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to install a center console on the inside of the truck. Instead of having this in the middle, it's going to be a flow-through console, go right up to the dash right here. So that's it for that. As far as our wheels and tires go, these tires are actually about done. They're pretty much done. These were original, came on the truck. We've had the truck for almost 3 years now. So wheels and tires are going to be on the build sheet for this. Not really sure what we're going with yet, so we'll let you know when that comes up. Also, since we're talking about wheels and tires, suspension. We are going to lower the truck. I don't know. Let me rephrase that. We're either going to level the truck or we're going to lower it. If we do lower it, we're not lowering it that far. I mean, I don't want to ruin the drivability of this truck. It drives really good as it is. So also we will let you know when we decide to do that, and you can follow us along as we install that. But that's pretty much it. I mean, that's pretty much all, right? As far as I know.
Yeah.
As far as I know right now, what we're deciding to do. So we're pretty excited about this because Tara loves trucks. So she's obviously really excited about doing this.
Very
with me.
excited.
And I feel like the power you can get for the cost of what we're going to do is going to be great. I mean, like she said, yeah, it was a sad day to see the Bullet go. The Busted Bullet was a great car, but it went to a very good person, and I feel like it's going to be very well taken care of. So, anyway.
We're ready for something a little bit more challenging.
Yeah, we are. We're ready for something a little more challenging. All right, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. As soon as we get that LT4 Supercharger in, we will start our modifications on this truck. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Also, we have decided to change our name. We are no longer going to be known as the Fix-It Fam. We've decided we're going to change our name to Short Stack Garage, okay? We're going to put it right here. We have changed our Instagram. Thank y'all very much for watching. Y'all have a great day.